Greetings and welcome everyone. My name is Luxemaka, the Floored Mom. Thank you so much for joining me. Yes, in this video, as you can see on the title, I'm coming back with another way of helping our kids the best possible way. So yes, I know we are busy parents, we cannot always be there for our kids, but yeah, we can try as many hacks we can so that we can actually help them help themselves. So this is a multiplication technique that you can use for any sum. So yes, please invite your kids at this moment, watch this with them, grab a pen, grab a paper. We are going to do this together. So I requested Usisi, which is my daughter, to give me at least 3 sums that I can actually do with you. Then we will see. I chose this because sometimes it becomes difficult for kids to actually multiply large numbers. With us it was easy because, okay, not even with large numbers, I never knew how to multiply large numbers manually. I only knew multiplications up to 12. So 12 multiplied by 12, that was the last one that I knew, from 1 multiplied by 1 up to 12 multiplied by 12. So because we had to memorize that. So I'm not good at memorization. So maybe we have other kids who are just like me, who cannot memorize. So yeah, man, let's do something to help them. So with me, I think it's also important to actually tell our kids that when we are dealing with multiplication, we're actually dealing with repeated addition, right? So the first one that I have was 36 by 30. So grab your tools, write that with me, then we're gonna multiply using lines. So you're gonna confirm, she's also gonna confirm for me if the answers are correct, then we will take it from there. So yeah, we've got our calculator on. So the rule is the same. So here's the thing now, we've got 36 by 30. So what will happen, we will start with 30 lines, right? 1, 2, 3, right? Then we've got 6, then we're gonna draw 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then we are multiplying this 36 by 30. So now what will happen is we are going to write 3 lines across, 1, 2, and 3. Now, so once we get here, we're gonna use dots, right? We're gonna connect now, we're gonna count. So we are adding now the dots, right? So we're gonna start from the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it's up to your child. One can actually do a simple addition method, or what they can do is to actually now multiply these lines. So they can actually multiply 3 by 6. That will definitely give you what? 18, right? But now we cannot put in 2 digits right at the same time. So we're gonna put our 8 here. Then what I will do, let's park now 1 here, right? Let's park 1 here. Then we're gonna come back to that one. Then we look at this side now, our left hand side, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now remember, we had that one that we parked here, then we add that now to this one. So we have 10, then now we can put that one. So I'm not sure if that is correct. Confirm with me. So Usisi confirmed saying it's correct. Now let's let's move to the next one. Okay, let's add another digit. She also gave me 423 multiplied by 3. Okay, now here's what we're gonna do, right? So we're gonna start with this 4, right? Now we're gonna draw 4 lines. Okay, then we come with the 2, 1, 2, then 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Then across we do our 3 lines. Okay, it's fine. Now let's add those ones up. We're gonna start from our right hand side. So let me use a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again, it's up to your child, it's up to you if you prefer to do the addition method when you get here, or again you do the multiplication method. But now remember, I said to you, when we're talking about multiplication, it's basically a repeated addition. That's why now it becomes easy if you add numbers, because with kids it's much easier to add numbers than to multiply big numbers, right? Okay, fine. So we have a 9 here. So because it's 1 digit, then we can just put it as it is, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got a 6 there. Then we come here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 1269. I'm not sure if that is correct. Alrighty, so our answer has been confirmed. So now let's do the next one. I think let's just erase this so that we can have some space. So those wondering, this is actually just paper. It's A30 laminated paper, just a blank page which is laminated, so it's up to you. If you are living on a budget, you can actually just laminate a page. It won't cost a lot, and you can use whiteboard markers. So that's what I use. So let's try 174 multiplied by 7. So we're gonna start with this one. 1, then we have a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we've got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Then we're gonna draw these lines across. So we've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? I know it's a lot, but yeah, you don't have to start with big numbers. You can actually just start with small numbers with your kids, right? So now let's multiply that. So this is basically just 7 multiplied by 4. So this is just 7 multiplied by 4. So if you are quick at that, you can do it, or you can just count, right? So 7 by 4 is 28. So but let's do it. Let's add the dots. Let's just connect our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, right? Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the 8 here. Then we're gonna park our 2 somewhere there, right? And then we come now and solve this section, that is our 7, right? Okay, so 7 by 7, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So we've got a 49, but now remember we still have these two, right? So 49 plus 2, that is 51, right? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna park our 1 there. Then that means we have 5 now, that is on the side, right? Now let's check with that. So this is a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 plus 5. So 7 plus 5, that is 12. Then we put that. So our answer is 1,218. So I'm going to check that just to confirm with everyone. So you can do it on the side using your calculator, or you can just ask the unemployed breadwinners, whom are your kids or your nieces or your nephews at home, to actually confirm the answer. Whoever you were doing this with, they can actually just confirm the answer. So 174 multiplied by 7 is equal to 1,218. So I have just confirmed that. So you can do it with any number from the simplest. Let's say 12 multiplied by 3, right? So you draw the first line, which is 1, then you do the 2 lines, right? Then we come to this one, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6. 1, 2, 3. It's 3. And there you go, 36. But always remember to work from the right hand side. This is right? So always remember to work from the right hand side, so that when you get 2 digits, you take 1, and then you just pack it somewhere, then you add from the next column, or from the next part which you are working on. Otherwise, that's it from me. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this was helpful. If it was helpful, please let me know on the comment section below. But if it wasn't anyway, please make it be useful. So it wasn't, because sometimes it happens that you probably if you probably know this. So if you know it, it's fine, you can teach other people. But if you didn't know it, then please let me know. If you want us to try other multiplications, because I know for instance, if there's a 0 in between, for instance, if we're working on this one and we say 104 multiplied by whatever, it becomes a bit tricky sometimes. So we can also work on that. But hey, just try as many multiplication sums you can, and then you let me know. If you are with me up to this time, please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Please share this channel with other mommies, other daddies, other parents. I'm Lokita Maka, and I'm just a flawed mom who is trying her best to parent the best way she can. So we are all about trying, guys, all about trying. So please like the video, share with other people, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Until next time, much love from my side.